Hello, friends. Oh my goodness. If this actually loads up tonight, this will be 2 videos in one day. Crazy. Anyway, a little crazy. It is Denise from Loving Life at 60ish. And as I promised, I do have the November monthly kit available now. It has taken me a very long time to get it done. And part of it is my exuberance to get it done. I say things like, I'm going to have that done by tomorrow morning. And then something happens, right? So, I mean, I can tell you all kinds of reasons why it wasn't done until now. But I mean, the big thing is life, right? And my mom was here visiting, and yes, I can work when she's here, but it's different, And so it's not her fault, but it was a change in schedule or situation, or I get used to doing things one way and then poof, right? And my brother's sick, and then there's my husband, and we lost our power. I was sure I was going to have it done this Saturday. Positive I was. I even think I said that Friday night. And then we lost our power for 8 hours. So anyway, all kinds of reasons why, but it's done. And I think it is adorable. The theme is sort of woodland friends, woodland animals, and falling leaves, and just a cozy fall November time, right? So, and it is November. I did the calendar right this time. Your options will be, again, a November calendar with a Monday start, or you can choose a November calendar with a Sunday start. Completely up to you. And then, as always, we have a hello in whatever month it is. So hello, November. We have the cute little squirrel here, and there's I think it's a hedgehog over here. And then hello, November, we've got falling leaves. This is the other one that shows up there's 3 things that show up in every single kit. And it's the calendar and this, and then a scratch off. And this is the days of the month here. And you color, oh, it doesn't even say. I'll have to go back and fix that. It's supposed to say save $1 for each falling leaf. And I don't even have that on there. Whoopsies. And this is one of my favorite. Oh, no, this isn't it. It's coming up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh. Oh, no, that's the October quote about living in a world with Octobers. Right? Where is it? I don't remember what it's on in the October one. Oh, yeah. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. That's the quote I was thinking of. But I also like this one. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is great gratitude that makes us joyful, which I thought was perfect for November and for those of you who celebrate Thanksgiving in the U.S. Thanksgiving. We have a rolling in gratitude savings, and you're going to save $126. We have a fox and a raccoon here. Maybe it's 2 raccoons. No, that's not a raccoon. It's fox. Hanging on to one of the dice that is rolled down. And I told you that there was going to be another one of these coming up. So there's that. I also told you that there would be a Plinko. This is a Friendzo, and we have cute little woodland friends down here. And it's played just like Plinko. And I did put, sometimes I don't put amounts down here. I just figure it's whatever the dice is. But I did put amounts down here. And then we have a Grateful 7, which is like a lucky 7, right? You roll 3 dice. Excuse me. Roll 3 dice. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'd put 6, 2, and 1 here equals 9. And if it's more than 7, I'm going to save whatever amount I decide. So say $5, I'd put $5 in. If it's less than 7, I'd save a certain amount. And then if the 3 dice total 7, right, then I would pay $7. And I love playing this game, so I wanted to put it in the monthly kit. And then we have, let me think here. Yeah, this is the only AI image that I created for the Maine kit. Yeah. And she's just sitting on a windowsill looking out at the leaves. It is the scratch off. It's $50 and the denominations are 1 through 6. And I love the blue in it. So for the freebie that you get, I put the blue in. And this is just one of the roll and saves with some cute little woodland characters. So I rolled a 1. I'd put 1 in there and put $1 in the envelope and just keep going. So this is the freebie, Saving with the Woodland Gang. Now, there is another freebie, but it is for anyone who purchases a shippable product in November. So it doesn't have to be the monthly kit. Maybe you purchase, what am I trying to say? Maybe you purchase some scratch-offs or one of my printable books or something like that. Then you're going to get this freebie. However, if you purchase a scratch-off, the freebie is going to be this size instead of this size because of the envelope that I have to ship the scratch-offs in. It would cost too much if I shipped them in an envelope this size. So if you order scratch-offs, it will be this size freebie. And what it is a daily gratitude. We've got our woodland characters on it again. Start the day with a grateful heart. Write down 3 things you are grateful for. Express gratitude to someone who has made a difference in your life. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature around you. Reflect on positive experiences and moments of joy. Practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. Count your blessings before going to bed. And this is just this isn't a savings challenge or anything. It's just sort of a reminder of what the end of the year is kind of all about. So, something you can tack up on your refrigerator or put in your planner or something just to kind of keep you remembering that these are the things you want to do. So again, that's for anyone who purchases a shippable item in my shop during the month of November. Well, I'm sorry, starting now, not the month of November. My order queue is empty right now. First time it's been that way in months. So anyone who orders as of today will get this, and they'll continue through probably most of the month of November. It just depends on how many I create. So you'll, and it won't, I'm sorry, this one is laminated, but I forgot that they're coming from Vistaprint, so they won't be laminated either. But they'll either be this size or this size. There you go. I'm going to put this over here. And then we have our dashboard, of course, for the month of November. And I just love this little guy. Look at him and his little owl friend. And then I have add-ons. So the first two, I always do some type of a scratch off. So there's 3 little fox, and it's a $55 scratch off. And then the other one is them playing in the leaves this time, and it's a roll and save. So roll 1, 2, or 3 dice, write the sum in the leaf, and save that amount. And so these are one of the add-ons. And let's see, the other add-on is always the minis. And so I have, these are all AI images that I created. There's a saving $75. There's one with leaves, and you decide how much each leaf is going to be. And then there's one with $2 circles, and it's $60 savings. So, and they're all looking out windows into the fall, trees and leaves and such to go along with the theme. And that is the November kit. I feel like I should have fireworks and loud applause and just craziness, right? Because it's finally done. I'm going to try to get it up in the shop, and it may be not great pictures to start out with, and then I will just take better pictures in the daylight, because right now I've got the bright light up above there. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much. Thank you to all who continue to purchase the monthly kits and love them and give me great feedback about them. And thank you all, everyone, just for being here. Okay, I'll see you real soon. Happy savings.